In this video, we'll provide a detailed overview of Xhorse bonus points and token system. We'll break down what they're used for, how to earn them, and how to check your bonus points and tokens. The first thing we need to know is that there are two types of them, remote and MB. Remote bonus points and tokens. Uses of remote bonus points and tokens. Remote bonus points and tokens can be used for online calculations. Generating a Toyota 8A chip requires 200 bonus points. BYD transponder 46 all-key loss calculation requires 200 bonus points. ID 4896-bit calculation requires 100 bonus points or 1 token per calculation. Remote bonus points in your account can be transferred to your friends or customers as gifts. Please note, tokens cannot be transferred. Remote bonus points in your account can also be redeemed for purchasing devices, activating features, other exclusive benefits. Specific benefit details will be notified by your dealer. How to get remote bonus points and tokens. Each time you generate a new Xhorse remote with bonus points, you can earn corresponding points and manually collect them. Bonus points vary by remote series. Some remote are not eligible for points, including Toyota XM38 remote, B5 wired remote simplified version. Regarding tokens, you can contact your local dealer for purchase. How to check your remote bonus points and tokens. Open the Xhorse app. Click on Account. Click on Bind Device to find your bound devices. And then you can see the corresponding bonus points and tokens. You can also view the total bonus points on the left side of the XBoy. MB bonus points and tokens. Uses of MB bonus points and tokens. When performing MB code calculations, MB bonus points or tokens will be consumed with costs varying depending on the specific scenario. When performing key adding, it requires 1 MB token or 200 bonus points. When conducting all key loss calculation, it requires 2 MB tokens or 400 bonus points. Similarly, MB bonus points in your account can be given to your friends or customers as gifts, and tokens cannot be transferred. How to get MB bonus points and tokens. When generating a new VVDIB key, you will earn 200 bonus points. But BE keys with yellow PCBs are not eligible for points. You can first check the bonus points of the key in the points system in the VVDIB software. If there are 200 bonus points, the key is new. If not, the key has been used before, which means no bonus points can be earned. You can also check it using KeyTool Plus or other compatible devices. You can contact your local dealer to purchase tokens directly. You can also earn free tokens via device binding. A maximum of 2 MB tokens can be earned for free per day. Tokens reset daily and do not roll over. Available free points vary depending on account binding status, as outlined in the table below. How to check your MB bonus points and tokens. Open VVDIB software. Click on Points System to view bonus points and the remaining usage count. Open the Xhorse app. Click on Account. Click on Bind Device to find your bound MB devices. And then you can see the corresponding bonus points and tokens. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you want to learn more about Xhorse and our products, please follow our official account. We are committed to providing you with valuable information.